Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create an FAQ page on your online Shopify store, so let's get right into it. Now, once you're on your dashboard, what you're going to want to do is go over into online store right over here. From there, you're going to go into the pages section, and now you can go ahead and click on add a page. Once you're here, add the title it FAQ or whatever you want. You can make it visible or hidden. You can set the visibility date to make it visible at a later date if you want to, and you can use a theme template if you want to. However, I won't be using one. And here you can add your content. For example, I don't know, FAQ. Then you can add, I don't know, bulleted lists. For example, question 1, and then you can go question 2, and in between them you can make other sort of adjustments and make actual answers. I'm not going to go ahead and make the entire FAQ text. However, this is what it will look like, and this is what the preview looks like on the actual search engine once you search for the page. And once you're done with that, you just need to click save, and when you click save, that page will be created. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. You can always delete it if you want to, or edit it like so. But if I go back into my pages, as you can see, the FAQ has been shown, and you can add the link through your theme. You can add a quick link. You can do a couple of different things, but that is pretty much how you make one. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.